First thing I'm having this morning is some decaf coffee with cream, as usual. I have 1 cup of yogurt here, my homemade yogurt, and I'm putting in a scoop of the Equip Prime Protein chocolate. I'm going to get that all mixed up, and then I'm going to sprinkle on some of these Perfect Keto chocolate cereal crumbs that I have left over from making cheesecake crust. I love it on my yogurt. So there's my bowl of goodness, and I only used 10 grams of the cereal crumbs, which is just 1/4 of a serving. I'm already halfway through it, but I am having my mid-morning coffee. This is the first one of the day with caffeine, and I am having it with some heavy cream. So I've just been filming a video that's a review of a new kitchen appliance, and in that kitchen appliance, I cooked up some steak. And so definitely look for this review coming up soon. I'm super excited about it. Can't share what it is yet, but while I was doing the video and review, I ate about 3 slices of this steak. It turned out to be about 1 ounce. And I find that when I am filming and like snacking, kind of snacking while I'm filming and doing taste tests and stuff, it just kills my hunger completely. And I end up eating just a really tiny amount, and I'm not hungry for a meal. So it's about 2 p.m. now, and that's all I've had is that little 1 ounce of steak. And I'm starting to barely get hungry, but I'm trying to decide if I should just go ahead and have a meal now or just have a little snack and then try to make it to dinner. But I did want to catalog that I had about 1 ounce of this tri-tip steak. I decided to do a snacky lunch. No, it's not for you. Hey, I have some oak smoked salmon from Trader Joe's and some also from Trader Joe's garlic stuffed olives and a wedge of double cream brie. That was from Costco. I was just feeling like I needed a afternoon cup of coffee, and I was also feeling like I wanted a little bit of something sweet. I guess I'm still feeling snacky with my snacky lunch. I just finished eating lunch. I just felt like I needed a little bit of something with my coffee. And I just got a notification that something just got delivered. So I'm gonna head out to the mailbox and grab it. And I think it's going to satisfy my needing something a little bit sweet with my coffee this afternoon. Oh yeah. I got some coffee with some frothed half and half, and now let's check out what's in the box. All right, so this is a shipment from Chipmunk Baking. They sent me some more goodies. Love it. So I am going to be traveling this month, going to KetoCon, and these individually wrapped cookies are going to come in handy for like little travel snacks. So we got some chocolate chip pecan. Okay, I have not tried these. I'm very excited to try them. Lemon poppy seed cookies. So these are the keto cookies. I've tried their protein cookies before, which were fantastic, but they were a little higher in carbs. These ones have 2 net carbs. Let's see how many total carbs. 20 total carbs, and that includes allulose. I love that they sweeten with allulose. So 15 grams of allulose, 3 grams of fiber, and then that means 2 net carbs. And I don't count allulose in my carb counts. It just does not affect my blood sugar. I do try not to overdo it, just have a little bit in things like this, but I don't count them in my carbs. Couple of those. Okay, this is another one I haven't tried. We tried the keto bites that were toasted coconut, and they were fantastic. Even though I'm not a huge coconut fan, the toasted coconut flavor was amazing. So I'm excited to try those. Cinnamon snickerdoodle. Those look amazing. White chocolate macadamia. We tried these in the protein cookies, and they were amazing. So I know those are going to be good. And then, they're peanut butter cookies. Best peanut butter cookies ever. So delicious. We had a bag of the peanut butter keto bites, and Renee ate them all up. They were her favorite by far, but I'm afraid that she might have a new favorite because these are a special flavor that they have right now. And this is what I want to try. I think Renee is going to love them. Like I said, the peanut butter ones were phenomenal. All of the peanut butter things we've tried from them have been amazing. So this chocolate peanut butter keto bites, I think these are going to be amazing. This is what I'm going to try for my afternoon snack with my coffee. There's 2 bags in here. I know Renee is going to be super excited to try these. There they are. I wish you could smell them. They smell incredible. I'm going to have 2. There is the inside texture. It's kind of like a really dense brownie. Yeah, I think a really dense brownie is the right description of the texture. I think these are one of their limited time flavors. So if it's something you want to try, pick it up soon. I do have a coupon code for them. I will put all that down in the description for you to check out. I have not found a chipmunk baking product yet that I have not liked. All of their flavors have been phenomenal, so highly recommended. Headed up to do an afternoon check on the chickies that they're hardly chickies anymore. Gotta have my helpers come check on the chicks. The goats hear me coming and they come running. Oh, hello. Bubs, you leave them alone. Oh, there's 4. Oh, there's the 5th one. I got nothing for you guys. I came with chick food. Sorry, I got nothing for ya. I should have brought you something yummy. Oh, I know. Yeah, hi. So we got 2 sets of chicks out here. These are the smallest ones, but they're already so big. Oh, don't be scared. Don't be scared. Well, hello there. Well, hello there, babies. Hello there, babies. And then these are our bigger chicks that are practically juvenile chickens now. They're getting so big. You're getting so big. Yeah, you guys are doing so great. Hey, that chicken food is not for you, Bubs. You think you're a chicken? You think you're a goat? You think you're a chicken? Izzy, you leave them alone. Okay, let's see if the big chickens have any eggs for us today. I don't know if anyone's been out here collecting eggs, so let's see what we got. Hey, Izzy, leave them alone. Maybe someone already got them, because there's not an egg in here. The chickens have also decided that this goat hay is the perfect place to lay their eggs. Speaking of which, we have all those nice laying boxes there for you. Why do you gotta lay here? All right, are you sitting on anything? Oh, you're sitting on a couple. Let me have those. Let me have those. There are video games being played downstairs, so if you hear screaming and yelling, don't worry, it's just video games. I decided something like a Cobb salad sounded good. I have eggs coming here in the Instant Pot. Ooh, that one exploded. Okay, I'm gonna let those cool and peel them here in a minute. So that's the last element here that will go in this triangle. I made some homemade blue cheese dressing the other day, and I really wanted something for my blue cheese dressing. That's why I made the salad, but I'm really excited about this. Cobb salad is one of those things that is just so glorious that it's incidentally keto. I heard Steve from Serious Keto talking about recipes that are, I think he said, incidentally keto. And Cobb salad is one of those like fantastic keto meals that you can get at a lot of places. And here is the finished product. I am very hungry and I'm very excited about this salad. And here is where my calories and macros landed for the day. I got 2,009 calories total. I got 103 grams of protein. That was 21.4% of my calories. And that's a little bit on the lower end for me. I try not to go below 100, so I'm still in my range that I like to be in. but usually I'm a little higher, like 130, 140. Then I got 151.3 grams of fat. That was 70.6% of my calories. And I got 38.9 total carbs, or 26.1 net carbs, and that was 8.1% of my calories for the day. And here is an overview of my blood sugar for the day from my NutriSense CGM. Those blue dots there are when I woke up. The first one's when I woke up in the morning, and then the second blue dot is when I went to bed at night. My Fitbit automatically imports that data into NutriSense because they're connected. And it's always interesting to see that little dawn phenomenon right after I wake up. Dawn phenomenon is alive and well. My breakfast of the protein yogurt with the perfect keto cereal crumbs got a score of 10. Started with a blood sugar of 97, ended 2 hours later with a blood sugar of 99. So no worries on that one. My lunch was a little bit random because I had that steak a little bit earlier, and then I sat down and had my little snacky lunch. And then I also had my dessert right after lunch. So I think that's the reason my blood sugar was still a little bit higher than baseline, because I had my dessert before the 2 hours were up. So anyways, it's a little mixed up, but still got a score of 9. Nothing to worry about. Started with a blood sugar of 83, ended 2 hours later with a blood sugar of 92. Then my snack of coffee with frothed half and half, and my 2 peanut butter chocolate chipmunk baking bites. Got a score of 9 on this one, again, because my blood sugar wasn't close enough to baseline. After 2 hours, I started with a blood sugar of 84. The peak was 92, so very small rise, a rise of 8. And then at 2 hours, I had a blood sugar of 90. And same thing with dinner. I'm not sure what was going on with me today, but nearly all of my meals, I didn't quite get back to baseline after that 2 hour mark, but still nothing out of range, nothing to be worried about. On my dinner of Cobb salad, I started with a blood sugar of 80, peaked at 89, and then 2 hours later had a blood sugar of 87. So that's going to be it for my What I Eat in a Day video today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are interested in getting more information about the CGMs from NutriSense and their CGM program, this amazing app that gives you all kinds of insights and information, they also have like dietitians, nutritionists that can help walk you through all of the blood sugar data. So even if you're not skilled in understanding all of the ins and outs of the information that a CGM gives you, they have resources that can help you like walk you through it. I will have a link down in my description for NutriSense. They do give me a little bit of a kickback anytime someone clicks that link and puts in their email address for more information. You don't even have to make a purchase for me to get that little bit of a kickback. So it's a super easy way to support my channel if that's something you want to do. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you again in another video.